Hello everyone, this is DJ So Touched from SouthernTreasuresProductions.com. Today we're going to be showing you some of the features of the Inuke DSP software. It's called Remote Control. We're going to pull it up now. The amp I'm going to be using today is the Inuke 1000 DSP. As you can see, when you open up the software, the USB is already connected and it's asking me to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it, and it shows it's highlighted here. These are some of the presettings that I already had for the Inuke. Usually on my typical system, I use this as a mid system, and this will be the setting that I have it on. But today, for today's system, what you see is crossed over here, and it's just playing my mids and highs. But for today's example, I'm going to be playing it stereo full range. So we're going to go back to setup. I have a full range stereo setup already hooked up, so we'll recall it, and as you can see, we're in stereo. Our stereo setup. So our crossover is set to flat right now, but we're going to be doing showing you details on the crossover parameters today. We have the EQ, and back to setup. Everything is set to flat right now. Okay, like I said, today we're going to be showing you the crossover feature. So let's go back to our crossover. Alright, right now the crossover is flat. It's fairly simple. Crossover, you have your high pass and your low pass represented as 1 and 2. You can actually, it's very simple, you can slide it from side to side to your frequency points, or you can look at your frequency points here. Alright, we have 3 different kinds of crossover types. We have the Butterworth, the Basal, and the link with Raleigh. Okay, so as you can see, as you click on each one, you can see how the curve is set, and we also can maneuver our slope on this as well. We can change the slopes, and if you change it here, you can see it goes down here. In fact, let's do this. Let's run some music so you can actually hear how instant everything is. I mean, this happens. Take the slope down to 48. We can slide it over. You can hear the bass and the mids disappearing, and we have nothing but the highs. Give it a little volume so you can hear it.
We need all the sexy ladies to the dance floor. Sexy lady roll call. We gon' do this little wild dance, y'all.
Take it off.
We need all the sexy ladies to the dance floor.
Have our gain.
I need everybody facing the DJ. Everybody facing the DJ. We're gonna start it off like this here. Front, back, side,
Alright,
side.
and also the same thing, if we want to take out and just make it a bass cabinet, we can take out curves on the high end out. If you want a higher slope, go to a higher slope. You see, it's instant. So we're gonna have a sub setting. You know, this is what we'll do for our low pass. But it's a very exact program, very fast, very easy to manipulate. Graphics is very easy.
You can be my vitamin C as we step to the left and to the right of the beat. Shawty, you can be my vitamin C as we step to the left and to the right of the beat.
Front, back, side, side. Walk it out. Dip, now slide. Yeah, now slide. One more time, front to the back.
All right, there you go. And that's the crossover feature of the Inuke DSP software. Very simple, very easy to use, simple connect. You can also use the same features directly on the amp itself without having it hooked up to the computer. But the computer is very good, very easy. The only thing is, I've yet to figure out how to hook up multiple amps at the same time to monitor it, because it's actually live um, once it's hooked up. So any changes that you make in the software as far as the EQ, crossover points, it's instant. But you have to do it one amp at a time. Once again, this is your boy DJ So Touch, Southern Treasures Productions, www.southerntreasuresproductions.com. Thank you.